direct hardware GPU pass-through. Before doing complex software configurations, let's fix it at the hardware level. Reboot your physical server, enter your motherboard BIOS, go to your graphics configuration and completely disable auto-switching. Explicitly set your integrated graphics or secondary card as the primary display output and plug an active monitor cable into that specific port. This forces your motherboard to leave your high-end graphics card completely unassigned and unlocked during boot. Once Proxmox loads back up, click on your virtual machine, go to the Hardware tab, click Add, and select PCI device. Click the device dropdown, find your graphics card from the list, check the box for all functions to bind the video and audio chips together, and check the ROM-Bar and PCI Express boxes since we configured a Q35 machine architecture earlier. Click Add, boot up your virtual machine, and your guest operating system now has direct, bare metal access to your graphics hardware for high-performance computing, video transcoding, and processing workloads.